Hello, kindergarten friends. We are going to talk about a new shape today. Let me show you. Have you seen this shape before? I actually have 3 of them there. Can you tell? It's kind of hard because my finger goes in the middle. Let me take some away. I have a small one, and a medium one, and a bigger one. Do you know what that shape is? Let's count the sides. I'm going to start at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a shape with 6 sides and 6 corners or vertices. Let's look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you know what this is called? It's called a hexagon. Can you say that? Hexagon. Let's break it apart. Hexagon. 3 syllables, hexagon. What letter do you think hexagon begins with? H. Very nice. Hexagon. Now, did you notice that my hexagons were all different colors? And they're also all different sizes. We're going to be doing some comparing in the next couple of days and look at attributes and how things are different and how they are the same. Today, we're going to focus on hexagons, and we're going to do some of the same activities we did with the other shapes. I know you might be getting a little bit bored with it, but I'm telling you today, a hexagon might be a little more challenging or a little more difficult. And I'm going to give you some tips to maybe hopefully help you draw your first hexagon if you haven't drawn one yet. Let's go ahead and get started in our math workbook. Are you ready? You need to be on page 541, lesson 9.9. You can see there are 2 columns here, and these columns are telling us that we want the hexagons on this side and not hexagons over here. We've been starting on the left side, but I think today it might be easier for us if we're drawing shapes to start on the right side. If you actually have the shapes and can sort them, it doesn't matter which side you start on, but let's go ahead and start with the things that are not hexagons. So can you think of something that is not a hexagon? That means it does not have 6 sides or 6 vertices. I think I heard circle. If you said circle, you are correct. A circle is not a hexagon. What else? You're right. I heard triangle. I'm going to draw a funky triangle here. Anything else? Okay, a square. I will have a square on there because it has 4 sides, 3 sides, and no sides. So we know those are definitely not hexagons. Let me go ahead and show you how to draw a hexagon. I think it's easy, for me at least, to draw a line across the top, and below it, I'm going to draw a line the same size as the one above me, okay? Now, I'm going to go not directly in line with here, but I'm going to go out a little bit, and I'm going to draw 2 more lines, and I'm going to try my best to make them about as long, all the same length, okay? So I have what could be a square if I connected them all, but now I'm going to connect by going diagonal. So instead of going up and over with straight lines, I'm going to do a diagonal line. Now that is not a perfect hexagon, but it's not too bad, especially if you're just starting. I'm going to use a different color marker to put a line through all of my sides and do my vertices so you can see. I'm going to start at the top so I make sure I go all the way around. I'm going to go in clockward direction. So I'm going to start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That didn't work, did it? 6, 7, 8. That is not that is not a hexagon. What is that? called an octagon. I'm sorry, I was wrong. But it's good to know, right? You know what an octagon is? And I made a mistake. Is it okay to make mistakes? Absolutely. I am gonna leave that there for right now, and here's what I'm going to do. I want you just to draw a line across the top and across the bottom. Now what we're going to do is do 2 dots out here. Sorry, this is going to be even easier. And now you connect the dots. So it's, the line to the dot, and the dot to the line to the dot, and the dot to the line. That is your hexagon. Now let's check the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we have one. So let me go ahead. This one had 8. Remember, that's called an octagon. I'm going to erase the octagon. I don't know what I was thinking. And now we have a hexagon. Remember, I told you that a hexagon has 6 sides. Well, we confirmed that. But I also said that a hexagon has 6 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Let's try drawing that one more time. I've got plenty of room up here. I'm going to draw a line across the top and a line across the bottom. Okay, about the same size and across from each other. And then I'm still gonna go out a little ways, but I'm gonna kind of try and go in the middle here and out a little farther. And this dot will go right across from this one, okay? Now is where we connect. Connect, 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 connect. Let's double check and make sure we have the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right. Hexagon, not hexagon. Okay. Page 542 is coming up next, and here you will see all of those shapes, and we are only looking for the hexagons. There are 4 of them. Can you find them? 6-sided, 6-cornered shapes. 1, 2, 3. Good job, friends. And 4. Those are your only hexagons here. That didn't take us long. You know what's coming next. I wonder what our picture is. Look at that cool crab. He lives in the ocean. Look at that. My, I wish I could just stick him on there. He would fit perfect. I wouldn't have to color him. There are some hexagons. Do you see them? I want you to find them, and I want you to color them. If you want to pause this and color and then come back and check, you can, or we can color together. There really aren't that many hexagons. There are only 5. Obviously, the biggest one I already showed you right in the middle, his body right there in the middle. You can color much better than I can. My smartboard doesn't let me do that very well. Do you see any more hexagons? Is this a hexagon? Nope, that's a triangle. How about this? No, that's a rectangle. How about this? Yes. The corner of 4 of his legs has hexagons. 6-sided, 6-cornered shapes. There are 5. That was kind of cool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I wish I was at the ocean. How about you? Let's go ahead and look on our very last page. And Ryan has all of these shapes. Are they all the same? They are not, but there are 2 of them that are hexagons. 6-sided and 6-cornered. Can you find them? Let's put an X on them. Are you ready? 1. Nope. Nope. Yep. 2. Now the last thing I want to do is I want us to show what we know about a hexagon. Let's start with the word hex. H, E, hex, x, x, hex, I know you want to say U because it says a, but it is actually an A. Hexa, g, on, hexagon. And we are going to draw one. A line and a line, a dot and a dot, and now connect them. 1, 2, 1, 2. And there you've created a hexagon. It might not be easy, but I bet the more you practice, the better you're going to get at it. I will see you tomorrow in math. Have a great day.